guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I filmed a video. Things have been very crazy with everything going on in the world, so I decided to put up a quarantine made me buy it video because I did order a lot of stuff while on quarantine and I'm not ashamed of it. So let's get into this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get started. So the first item we're going to be talking about, I already opened it. It's this Scoosh. It's a cocoa butter lip balm, but you can use it for whatever you want. It smells really good. It's a local brand, so I'm gonna link their website down below, and they are doing a like a promo. So if this is your first time buying, they're gonna have a promo code where you can use where you can get a free product. I'm also gonna have the discount code, promo code here on the screen. Next is a package I got from Mellow Cosmetics. Mellow is a Australian brand. So I bought this because when I started my second Instagram, that link's gonna be down below, someone from the organization contacted me seeing if I was interested in trying some products. So, and they gave me a discount code so I can buy the products and see if I like them. So what I got were their glitter chrome eyeshadows. So I got 4. Oh, they also gave me a freebie. Oh, that's so cute. All right, we'll get to that in a second. So the first glitter eyeshadow I got, if I can open it, is called Champagne, and it's this pretty pinky color. Has like a little iridescent glow. The second color I got was Golden Glow, and it's like a bronzy color, and it still has like that iridescent shift. And like I really like how the lid is like a gold color and it has Mellow on there. It's probably upside down. Yep, upside down. So it looks like that. Next color is Copper. It's basically a copper color. It's really pretty. And the last color I got, I kind of wish they had like the colors. Oh yeah, they do. Rose Gold. It's on the side of the box. Normally I'm used to the colors being like at the bottom or on like the top of the box. And it looks like that. It doesn't really look rose gold, more like a magenta purple burgundy color, but probably will look different on the eyes. So I'm excited to try those out. And then the little lippy sample they gave me was this matte liquid lip paint. I don't know what color this is. Oh, it's at the bottom. Auckland. It looks like this. It's like a purpley color. Oh, what I also forgot to show you, with my Scoosh order, they did give me 2 samples. I have been using this one a lot because it's in like a little chapstick form. I'm not gonna show you how much I use because it's embarrassing, but it's really good. Next product next thing I got was from Rosie Days. So Rosie Days is a online boutique started by Casey Holmes. She's a YouTuber on here, so I'm gonna link her channel and her website down below. So I ordered this probably at the beginning of quarantine. Okay, cool. So yeah, I ordered this at the beginning of quarantine and I was like, oh, let's see how much stuff I ordered. and just do a video. Even though quarantine is still going on, there's probably going to be a part 2, so we'll see. So what I got these stickers, so cute. And then I got a shirt and a sweatshirt. So this is their newest logo tee. So it has Rosie Days with a little lock and key when it was started. And this is the back. Cute, right? And then I also got this Rosie Days little sweatshirt thing. And then it has Casey Holmes' dogs on it. And this one is, I'm not going to try to guess their names, but I watch her videos a lot. So she has a Dalmatian and a lab golden retriever. They're so cute. And the last thing, I'm really excited about this last one. So my friend Tiffany Munoz, I'm going to link her YouTube channel down below just so you guys can like take a look at her. She started her own eyelash company. I do wear lashes when going out. If you saw my declutter my makeup collection video, you would have saw them. So she started her own eyelash company, and I was like, why not support her? And she only had like a few lashes available. I bought all 4 of the lashes that she had. Not like I have a problem. I wanted to support her, and she was donating some of her proceeds to the Black Lives Matter movement and to other organizations as well. So I thought I would support her. So here are the lashes. I'm gonna see if I can hold them all up at once. Look how cute. Can't really see them in the packaging. But her brand is called Mirame Lashes. And then the first lash that we have, do they have the names on them? I don't think so. I think I'm gonna have to guess which one's which, but yeah. So here's the first. Let me actually pull up. Oh, I will have like a little excerpt of which one's which, but let me see if I can actually pull up her lashes real quick, like which one's which. Give me a second. All right, so after rewatching Tiffany's video, I was able to label the lashes. So the first lash that I got was Mala Santa. It looks like this. So it's more of a it's wispy, but it has like cat eye, so it's thinner in the front and thicker on the side, so it gives you like that sexy look. Next lash we have is Paloma. And Paloma is similar to Mala Santa, but it's more of a daytime look. So if you look here, it's not as bold towards the end. It still has about an even type look. So if you're looking for a daytime look, these are the bad boys you want. Next is Mami. So they look like this. They're very wispy. Cute. And then the last lash is for when I want to be hella bold. They are Salvaje, and they look like this. So just like Mami, they are also wispy, but they have more of a dramatic look. So right now I'm editing my video, and I realized I forgot to mention one other thing. So the other thing was the Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to tell you about the epilogue, the story of how I had to get this bad thing. So it first started off back in March. So when quarantine first started here in the Bay, I was like, I might as well just get a Switch because I can't go out anymore, can't do the shenanigans I used to do with my friends. So I'll get a Switch to keep my mind off of being stuck inside, and the new Animal Crossing game was coming out. So me and two other friends ordered the Switch off of Urban Outfitters because everywhere else was sold out. Because, you know, the dilemma, people were just buying the Switch just to resell them for astronomical prices. Also, if you're one of those people that bought the Switch and sold it for 10 times the amount it was, y'all are assholes. Anyway, so I ordered my Switch. The next day I got an email saying that it was back ordered. Fine, I'll wait the month that it's back ordered. The month rolls back, I get another email. Back ordered, May 13th. All right, it's fine. I'll wait. I will wait. I waited a month. I can wait another few weeks. May 12th hit, and I got an email saying, your Switch is back ordered. And I flipped. I was like, I spent $300 and something because it was not just the Switch. It also came with a game. I was like, I spent $300 just for it to get back ordered again? Absolutely not. So I searched everywhere and I found the Switch at Costco. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna order it because it came with the Switch, the Nintendo Online Family Plan, SD card, and a case. And it was cheaper than what I paid for at Urban Outfitters, because I paid like $380 for the game, for a game and the console, and I'm like, it's cheaper for the console and all these other things. Anyway, so I was like, I placed the order, and the next day I got a shipping confirmation. So I was like, cool. So I called Urban Outfitters and I was like, yo, I need to cancel my Switch. I found it somewhere else. They're like, oh, you have to wait until our warehouse, because I think we're going to ship it. I'm like, no, I found it somewhere else. You told me you were going to ship it 2 months ago, and it didn't happen. So I got it canceled. Thank God, because if I had 2 Switches, I would have probably have to return the other one, because I'm not going to resell the Switch, because that makes no sense. I'd rather just return it so somebody else can get it. So now I'm happy with my Switch, and thank you for coming to my TikTok, and we're gonna wrap up this video. So those are all my quarantine buys. I am gonna give you guys like a little update. So my mom actually ordered me a Canon camera, so I won't be shooting my videos on my phone anymore. I'm gonna be moving over to an actual camera, and so I'm gonna be focusing more on like the technical side of that, and then I'm also going to be posting pictures on my Instagram. Again, that's going to be linked down below, along with all the websites where you can find most of these items. If you guys have any questions, or if you want me to post any other videos, please leave comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe like I said before, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.